Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of May 2025, our system has classified MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.69. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 67.84%. This equates to an average daily loss of 3.23% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of nearly 30.96% in a downward direction over the next 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between a complete loss and 895.96%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis shows a projected change of approximately -27.90%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a total loss to 14,091.62% over the next year. This implies that the future price could range from $0 to $181.65. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, "Big movements in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Tuesday, moving 14.4% between high and low." The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 5.19% on the last day, Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, from $1.35 to $1.28. It has now fallen for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.4% from a low of $1.25 to a high of $1.43. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.48% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, albeit amidst falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 37 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $47.85 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.75% or $508.32 below the 52-week high and 99.99% or $14,298.72 below the all-time high on the 13th of December 2022 when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. has recently made headlines with several significant advancements in their quantum computing technology. On the 27th of May, the company announced their exploration into optimizing quantum error correction algorithms aimed at enhancing the accuracy of quantum algorithms. This exploration signifies their commitment to improving the quantum computing space, which could attract investors looking for innovative technology opportunities. Earlier in May, MicroAlgo revealed the development of a quantum convolutional neural network architecture, enhancing traditional computer vision tasks using quantum principles. This innovation positions them favorably within the competitive landscape of artificial intelligence technologies, likely sparking investor interest and demand for MLGO shares. Additionally, their research on the quantum information recursive optimization algorithm could open doors to new ideas in combinatorial optimization problems. These advancements signal a forward-thinking approach that investors typically value, suggesting potential growth in stock price. On the financial front, MicroAlgo reported a strong turnaround in their annual results for the year 2024, achieving revenues of 541,500,000 renminbi and returning to profitability. This positive shift reflects robust demand for their central processing algorithm services, likely boosting investor confidence and contributing to a stable stock price in the short to medium term. With each innovative development and favorable financial result, MLGO is poised for potential growth, appealing to both short-term traders and long-term investors as they continue to push the boundaries of quantum computing technology. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to MicroAlgo stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near short-term development. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $1.50 and $4.49. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 94.72%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots presented a sell signal 45 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 258 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 31 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 36 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $1.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits notable volatility during the trading day, with a significantly large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of 180 cents between its high and low, which equates to 14.4%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 18.9%. Before we dive into the possible grid trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $1.46. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could represent a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $1.27. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock and have not established a stop loss. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, leading us to believe it will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by 4 cents and commence trading at $1.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.